Connecting a wireless headset base station to your PC is a great way to enjoy high-quality audio, low-latency performance, and convenient wireless communication for gaming, work, or entertainment. So in today's video, we are going to show you how to connect a wireless headset base station to a PC and make sure it's working properly. But before we begin, make sure you have your wireless headset, the base station or transmitter, and any included USB or audio cables. It's also a good idea not only to prepare your equipment but to have your PC powered on and ready for setup. And then of course after that you need to connect the base station to your PC. Locate the USB cable that came with your headset, connect one end to the base station and the other end to an available USB port on your PC. Some headset models may also include additional optical or audio cables. If your manufacturer recommends using them, I want you to connect those cables according to the setup guide provided with your headset. And of course, you need to power on the base station. Once connected, the base station should automatically power on through the USB connection. And you need to look for LED indicators on the base station to confirm that it is receiving power. After that, you need to turn on the wireless headset. So all I have to do is press and hold the power button on your wireless headset until it powers on. Most headsets will automatically search for the base station and pair within a few seconds. After that, you need to verify the connection. Check the lights on both headset and the base station. A solid indicator light usually means the devices are successfully paired, and if the lights are flashing, consult your headset's pairing instructions and try pairing them manually. Now, on your PC, right-click the speaker icon in the taskbar and select Sound Settings, and then after that, you need to configure the audio settings in Windows. After configuring that, you need to finally test the audio. So play a video, it may be a song or a game to test the headset audio. You can also use the microphone test feature in Windows Sound Settings to confirm that your microphone is working correctly. You can also install the manufactured software because many wireless headsets offer companion software that allows you to customize audio profiles, microphone settings, RGB lighting, and firmware updates. So you need to download and install the software recommended by your headset manufacturer for the best experience. Remember, once connected, you'll be able to enjoy wireless audio and communication with minimal setup. If you found this helpful, subscribe to our channel and we will see you again in the next video.